What are administrative expenses? Administrative expenses are the costs a business pays to manage and support its overall operations, but that are not directly related to producing goods or services. In simple words, administrative expenses are the everyday operating costs needed to run a business office. These expenses are necessary for business management and organization. However, they are not directly connected to manufacturing products or delivering services. Administrative expenses usually include office salaries, management wages, rent for office space, utilities, office supplies, insurance, legal fees, and accounting services. For example, the salary of a company manager or accountant is considered an administrative expense because their work supports the business rather than producing products. Administrative expenses are different from production or selling expenses. Production expenses are related to making goods, while selling expenses are related to marketing and sales activities. Administrative expenses belong to the general operating category. In financial statements, administrative expenses appear in the income statement under operating expenses. Businesses track these expenses carefully because high administrative costs can reduce overall profits. Managers often analyze administrative expenses to improve efficiency and control spending. Reducing unnecessary administrative costs can help increase company profitability. However, cutting too many administrative expenses may affect business management and decision-making quality. In simple terms, administrative expenses are the costs of running and managing a business office. Easy way to remember. Administrative expenses mean management and office operating costs.